It's 7 a.m. I just woke up. I'm brewing some coffee and I'm gonna make a smoothie with our fruit we got from the farmer's market yesterday in Kauai, and I think I'm gonna cook up some toast as well. I'm gonna make breakfast for everyone and call it a good bright and early morning, and then we're gonna go for a surf in Hanalei. Do that for a while and then see what we get up to later. So, good morning. Welcome to day 2. Okay, so for our smoothie this morning, I'm just gonna show you guys what I'm putting in it because it's kind of fun tropical fruit here. Also, if you guys didn't know, I'm actually from Hawaii. I lived here on Kauai I was born and raised up until I was 13.
Oh, hello, Papa.
So sweet like a lemonade. Check time, making you the minute maid. We can do something new, let me innovate. We can take it slow like we iterate. So sweet like a lemonade. Check time, making you the minute maid. We can do something new, let me innovate. Take it slow like we iterate.
So, like I was saying, I actually grew up on Kauai. I'm gonna leave a few of the seeds in because they're actually really good for you, and you won't even taste them with the rest of the fruit. Myself.
Oh, okay. I was like, who's she talking to? Okay, Chloe, so this is.
We got a fresh mango I cut up. I just cut.
You're not listening to me. You're not listening to me.
We're not really saying anything. You're kind of just figuring it out. I don't know.
No, but like I'm just showing you. I understand why he did this because like he booked that for tonight, but maybe that's for his brother.
Video you know this whole time?
No.
Gotta do something like, oh my goodness, never seen something so beautiful with news and the only thing she got me saying, oh my.
Okay, shout out to my dad who says I need to include more education into my videos. So these are the taro patches of Hanalei Bay. They've been growing here for 1,000 years. They were introduced by the Polynesians, and way back when, and still today, it's traditional to eat poi, which is from the taro plant, and it's grown in the water like you see here, and it's super nutritious, dense, and it's like a potato, and it's purple, and you can also have it in your boba tea taro. It's really good that way. I personally prefer it that way over poi, but if you ever come to Hawaiian Islands, then check it out, try it, and taste a little bit of Hawaiian culture. Okay, we're renting boards right now. We're about to go out.
Oh, hello, Papa.
So sweet like a lemonade. Check time, making you the minute maid. We can do something new, let me innovate. take it slow like we in the rain. So sweet like a lemonade. Took time making you know minute maid. We can do something new, let me innovate. Take it slow like we in the rain. Thought I could run away. Your smile made me wanna stay. Come with me, we can make a way. Give me time, let me demonstrate. Want you over, want you closer. Let me love you like I'm supposed to. Let me struggle, make it over. Just remember.
Oh my God.
Alright, we just went surfing, guys, and it was awesome. I know it looked so flat, but it was. And that's why it was so hard to catch anything. But I swear we actually did catch waves that day, and it was like a really good time. I'm not capping. We just didn't have anyone to film us when we were out there for that long, because my mom, who was filming us in that beginning, like that was when we first got out there, she had to go. And so we did end up catching waves and actually like having a really good time and like surfing, even though they were really small and flat. But it doesn't matter, it was just all about the vibes, and I just felt like I had to clarify that, because in these clips the waves look so flat, and like then I'm like, oh, it was so much fun when we caught, and like we did, like I swear, I promise. Like, okay, bye, get back to the video. Thanks, I hope you're enjoying it. We're just surfing here in Hanalei. It's a good place for surfing for beginners or intermediate, or just like having fun. We had these longboards that we rented from a shop in Hanalei town, and it was, we were out there for probably like 2 hours, right? Maybe an hour and a half. Don't know. But had a great time. Now we're here eating some snacks, drinking some water, reapplying sunscreen, and just enjoying the beautiful view and the beautiful day. I think it's around 11 a.m. as well. But yeah, I'll try to get some clips of us surfing, but we're both surfing, so it's hard to find anyone to take a video while we're out there. So just imagine us shredding.
Want you over, want you closer. Let me love you like I'm supposed to. Any struggle, make it over. Just remember what I told you. So sweet like a lemonade. Take time making you the minute maid. We can do something new, let me innovate. We can take it slow like we in a rain. So sweet like a lemonade. We can do something new, let me innovate. Took time making you the minute maid. Take it slow like we in the rain.
Pretty lighting, huh? Mm-hmm. Wow. I'm getting all red. You didn't say anything.
Looks worse on camera.
Yeah, it does.
I look really white on camera.
Yeah, you